Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the TerraGuard Modern for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here we have the VRS Design TerraGuard Modern in the mint color. So this is what the packaging looked like. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Very clean design, and you have these two stickers right there. So let's just pop this baby out and see what it looks like. Alright, there you go. And let's just check this out. I will have a link down below if you guys want to pick this up. You guys can check it out for yourself as I check it out with you. So as far as this top pamphlet here, this is pretty cool. Of the people from VRS Design, it does actually come with a tempered glass for your front screen. So it's basically the smaller screen, and it does come with these little kits here of how to install it and how you install. So you have your alcohol prep pad and you have your microfiber cleaning cloth so you can install your tempered glass. And here you have the little mini strips that you could add to the case in case your front or your back case is coming off. But as far as what's inside the box, this is your installation guide, how to install it. Seems pretty simple. All right, pretty simple. And here is the case itself. This does have a nice feeling to it. Really cool, and it is something different because it's not black like the other cases that I've been making videos on. I'm pretty shocked that a lot of case companies don't make red or blue cases, so this is definitely different. They came with the mint color. If you guys want to check this out slowly, you do have your logo for VRS right there. Curious to see what that button does right there. It just looks like a regular logo. Doesn't seem like it does anything, but it does have that hinge protection, as you guys can see from my last couple of videos. It does seem like it's like a two-part case. So on the inside it says TerraGuard designed for life, designed by VRS in California, aerospace structure F4-TM, and on the inside you have the Durafoam hinge protection, which basically has a soft foam material so it doesn't hit the hinge from like a plastic to metal type of feel, so it does actually give it a little bit of cushion. All right, so here's the casing itself. You got a couple logos here. Let's see if we can get some of that logo. VRS Design right there. All right, so and this is the front one as well. Does seem like it's a little bit thicker than the one that you get from Samsung, which I really don't like, honestly. So how to install the case: usually what I do is I try to close it. If not, you could do it while it's folded out, but it's probably much safer to just do it when it's closed. All right, so here's the first part. Just install it. You guys could check out that lip protection, pretty good. And on the front, I would basically open this up and then just snap it right in, and just make sure that you have that open part for the buttons. So let's just see if you could just pop that in. Don't be afraid. All right, and I do have a tempered glass on there that I had from the first video that I did. But here's the casing itself. It does add a lot of bulkiness to it, a little bit of weight, but just the protection that you get for the front is pretty cool. Let's check out that fingerprint scanner. All right, that's how it looks in the left hand, because this one commenter said that people don't hold phones with the left hand. Well, this is the left hand, guys. Ba-boom. All right, their case itself, really nice. See, what I like about these cases from VRS is that the front casing is not even close to just coming out. They actually made this a full case. I remember with the first or the second fold that front case would pop out no matter what case it was. Now, they made the bezels a little bit smaller with the Fold 4, so having this thick front case is probably a blessing, because you see the protection that it gives, right? If I did have the other one from Samsung laying around, I could show you, but it's a huge difference. But it has a lot of bulk to it. But just the overall protection for the front, that's the most important part to me. But this is what it looks like. Fold it out. And if you do want to add these strips to it, so you could just basically take it out. So if you want to take it out, so I can show you how to take all that out. So if you want to add those strips, you could add them here to the corners, and here, and you can add it for the front. You could do that as well. You can add it to the little corners here, or you add it to the side so it won't come out. But if you change your SIM card a lot, or you like to change cases a lot like myself, then you would definitely have a problem having to keep on putting stickers, because you'll probably run out of stickers. But this is what the case looks like. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the VRS Modern Edition, TerraGuard Modern. I don't know why I'm having a problem saying that, but you guys let me know what you guys think about it. So if you guys like this video, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is definitely a win, just because that front does not pop off easily. So big shout out to VRS for actually making a really good case. So as you can see, I'm starting to bubble up because it seems like this case is more to the right. So if you just flip a little bit in and just have that tempered glass a little bit more to the right, then you shouldn't have no problem at all. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and VRS design cases. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.